These custom body lotion bottles only cost me $1.11 per bottle shipped. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you are going to find your vendor on Alibaba.com to create and manufacture your custom skincare products containers. So when you're starting a skincare business, the packaging that your products are going to come in is going to be everything. This is literally the first thing someone is going to see when they open your package and see your products. Your packaging and the containers that you are selling your products in are going to reflect the quality of your brand. So that is why finding the perfect manufacturer is going to be crucial to your business. I'm going to be walking you guys through the whole entire process of finding a trusted vendor on Alibaba.com. No, this is not a sponsored video. I just use them for my business and I have been using them for years. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Viva, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. So I've been an online business owner for 8 years and I run a successful 6-figure business. Very happy to say that I've been able to keep my business thriving even through COVID. In this video, I'm going to be putting you guys on so you guys can find your own vendors and manufacturers and you don't have to buy other people's. Knowing exactly how to shop on Alibaba.com is going to cut down your search time in half. So before I get started, I want you guys to make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you're not missing out on any of this free valuable information. It's 100% free. People are charging thousands for this type of information. So go ahead and tap that subscribe button, turn your notification bell so you would never miss one of these courses. Okay, so first thing first, let's clear things up. There is a huge difference between a Alibaba wholesaler and a Alibaba manufacturer. So the manufacturers are going to be the people, the companies, the vendors that actually create the products on Alibaba.com. And this is how you're able to get private labeling. Also, how you're going to be able to get the best price, because you know what a wholesaler does. A wholesaler buys the same products from the manufacturer and they add their fee. So they are going to upcharge on that product. So going straight to the person that is creating and manufacturing your products is what's going to save you the most money as well as save you time. Okay, so now let's head over to Alibaba.com. This part is going to be a screen recording because I really want you guys to be involved in this and I really want you guys to see how it's done the right way. So we are on Alibaba.com. So we are going to search in the search bar skincare packaging. Then we are going to search. As you guys can see here, these are all of the products, but we don't want to just pick any vendor. We want to make sure we're getting the best vendor and we want to make sure our orders are covered, like they're protected. So we're going to head over to the filters here on this side and we are going to select trade assurance. So we want to make sure our orders are covered with insurance. Then the second thing we are going to select is the verified supplier. So if you want the best of the best, which is really going to narrow down your search, you want to go with the verified pro supplier. But we are just going to stick with the verified supplier. And then we are going to scroll down and then we're going to click 5.0 because we want the best product for our business. So these products right here are going to be the best sellers to go with. But when you are searching, you want to make sure you are able to customize these bottles. Like they have to be customizable. We're not looking for just a blank bottle. As you guys can see here, custom pink luxury empty plastic cosmetic bottle. It's going to be a very long title. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but as you guys can see here, these are going to be the best vendors. Now you want to make sure they have years of experience. So I don't like to use vendors that have less than 4 years of experience. In that time, that brand is going to be able to capture more reviews because they're going to have more experience, more time put in. So you're going to be able to look at their reviews and better understand and better confirm, like if you want to actually purchase from this brand. Some of the vendors on here will have like up to 18 years. You see this one has 10 years. These are very luxurious packaging. So you're just going to go through all of this and sort through. Like I said, this one here has 11 years of experience. And as you can see, order right here, 5,000 pieces. That's the minimum. We don't want a high minimum. We want something as low as 100 pieces. But again, this one has 3 years. We want 4 years. So you guys just have to take the time out and actually go through and search for really good manufacturers. Again, make sure it's a manufacturer and not a supplier. You want to go straight to the plug. So listen, I never want you guys to skip ordering samples. Before you place a large order of any product, I need you guys to order a sample of that product. So you need to be getting a sample because it's going to allow you to check the quality. It's going to make sure the packaging that you ordered customized is going to fit your standards. And it's also going to verify that whatever was printed on that product was printed properly. Pro tip, I want to notify you guys that you might have to pay for your samples, which is worth it. You're going to pay for the sample, but you're going to save so much money in the long run. Okay, so now let's talk about these custom labels, logos, ingredients that you're going to be designing for your product. How are you going to create these? You are going to design these images, this PDF by yourself using Canva. And of course, I'm going to show you guys how. So now we are over in Canva. So the only thing you need to do is search bottle label. So we're looking for labels for our bottles, and Canva has a template. So we basically don't have to do any work but customize whichever template we are going to choose. So you would literally just choose whichever template you like. Because my logo was transparent, I would like to show you guys something transparent. But what if you don't want something transparent? And these are literally already made for you. You would just, let's say you want to use this one. So you would customize this template. Again, I'm on Canva Pro. I always recommend you guys to get Canva Pro. So let's say this is your product. You would then change the name. You literally just select it and then you would change the name. I'm just going to put Pretty Pink, and there you go. So you would go in and add your measurements, add what you want to put here, and then that's your logo. If you want something simple, this is not transparent. So this logo would obviously not be transparent because you would have this whole branding. I absolutely love that. For transparent, you just want the background. Let's say I'm going to select this one. You just want the background to be white or black, whichever one you want to use, because we're going to save the background as transparent so that it's able to go on clear on your bottles. And then for this, we are going to hit download, and then you want to make sure you have transparent background selected. So the background is not going to be white, it's just going to be completely clear. And then we are going to save that as a PNG file. Okay, so now that we have that out of the way and you know how to customize your logo, download it and send it to the manufacturer on Alibaba.com with a transparent background, with a clear background, you guys. You don't want no white images, white cast, black cast. No, it has to be clear. So when purchasing your product from Alibaba.com, I really want to make sure you guys are clear on the shipping terms. Most of the manufacturers on Alibaba.com, they include everything total for shipping, but I do want you guys to clarify that with the person that you're working with. So you want to make sure you're asking them what are any associated fees for shipping this product. So in the description, of course, I'm going to be attaching my exact vendor to my bottles down below in the description for those of you who are interested in those type of bottles with the transparent logos on them. So if you found this video helpful, I know you absolutely love this entire playlist I have created for you guys about shopping on Alibaba.com. Again, I've been doing it for years. I've had my business for 8 years. So I've been buying from Alibaba.com for 8 years. So I definitely know how to use them and make sure I have the best vendors as possible. You guys, that is going to complete today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Peace and much love. Bye guys.